Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to export your SurveyMonkey questions. Now all you need to do is just open up the survey that you want to do this for, and once this loads up we want to click on Analyze Results. Okay, click on this one right here, and what you want to go ahead and do is come here and click on this export icon right here next to the questions. Okay, so click on export and then click on question summary data. Now, by the way, this is a paid feature. So if you do have the paid plan, then you would see a pop-up such as this. You just choose your file format. You'll see the question you are downloading, the data view, the orientation. You can set everything, the paper size, and if you want to include the open-ended responses as well. And then just go ahead and click on export. And that is how you can go ahead and export SurveyMonkey questions.